Tea affogatos are a delightful take on the traditional affogato that's made with espresso coffee. And to get a tea affogato right, you affogato follow a few simple rules. The first one being to use full fat ice cream because, as we all know, fat carries flavor. This is a treat. It's not a guilt trip. The second thing is the type of tea that you use. I would use a powdered tea like a matcha, or maybe even a tea latte blend like a masala chai or a beetroot. And you want to create it really nice and thick. Then what I like to do is, this is just me, when I've got the ice cream already, I like to try and create like a little well in the top of the ice cream, just so that when you pour the matcha or the latte blend on top, it's just gonna make sure that the tea goes absolutely everywhere, and you've got this little pond of deliciousness right on the top of your ice cream, so that it ensures that you get some tea and ice cream in every spoonful. Absolutely amazing. Tea affogatos are crazy delicious.